Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Huobi to a bank account. First, ensure your Huobi account is fully verified for fiat transactions. Next, you'll need to securely link your bank account details within the platform. It's also important to understand any daily or per-transaction withdrawal limits before you begin. This preparation helps ensure a smooth process. To start, navigate to the Withdraw section within your Huobi account. From there, select the specific fiat currency you want to withdraw, such as USD or EUR. Then, carefully enter the exact amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Always double-check this figure to avoid any errors. Before finalizing, meticulously confirm your linked bank account details to ensure accuracy. Take a moment to review any applicable withdrawal fees, as these can vary. Finally, you will need to complete the required security verification, which might include a two-factor authentication code, to authorize the transaction securely. After confirmation, your withdrawal will begin processing. Typically, funds arrive in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, though this can vary. You can monitor the status of your withdrawal directly within your Huobi account. Once processed, remember to check your bank statement for the successful deposit of your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.